So guys, right now we are at the expo. Here we've got lots of the individual sellers. You check this out, what all is here. Lots of mini GT, pop races, acrylic models. We have some of the motor helixes. यहाँ पे race simulator जो होता है, race simulator लगने वाला है. Here we've got the bigger race simulators which are being set up. Then over here we have got. So here we've got premium mats for your diecast. Here we've got the daily diecast booth. Setup day है तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें अभी setup होने वाली हैं. Lots of big RC models on display here. Here we've got the booth for ATS models. After ATS models, here we've got Time Micro. Time Micro के बाद उधर Fumi है. And you check that out. What car is that? Oh my God, the real cars here, they are insane. GTR, Supra, FD2. You check this out, which is coming out. These are all crazy, absolutely crazy models. And then more models here. Oh, we've got hello. So this is some of the mini GT transporters, the Corvette one, the Mercedes GCD, the Hobby China exclusive. Yeah, this is the Kuma livery. Yeah, very nice. Oh, and this is autographed. Then here we've got a big display of cars. You check this out. So basically it's been made like a KTM X bow. You see the way the whole thing is rising up. And check this out, who do we have here?
I don't even know what that is.
Guest appearance, Drifter D,
Hey, yes,
my man. Hello.
What's up guys? Drifter D in the house, here in Sunnyside, Singapore.
Yes. So here we've got Drifter D. Now quickly we'll push over there. On the way I'll show you the Kyosho. We've set up Kyosho today. Here we've got MK Miniatures, DHL. Some of them they will be set up tomorrow, so we'll show you that also. Now this is Dan. Hey, say hello. Hey. So great guy, great collector. You're setting this up, right? The racing and everything. So there will be a whole lot of racing going on here. And this car is our friend's, right?
Yeah,
the green one. Alan's car.
Yeah.
The green Corolla. Beautiful. And very big venue today. No aircon. Dying of heat. It's a story for another time. So quickly, I'll just pick up my bag. Done. Okay. I show you the GTR there. I show you Hans RX-7 there, the whale side one. And then maybe from here I zoom in and I can show you GTRs, R34 GTRs, not one, not two, but actually three of them. So yeah, these are actually quite crazy ones. And a couple of R35 GTRs, a couple of FD2s. They look very similar to Shell, no?
Yeah, it does have the Shell livery going on.
Yeah, color scheme.
And it's dancing, I guess.
Neighborhood, so this is also a great FD2.
Let's go, yeah.
Hello, Mr. Suzuki, and this is Kyosho-san. Kyosho-san, best name. And we've set up some of the models today, the F40, the 250 GTO, black F40. Now we are on our way, Drifter D, me, Suzuki-san. So let's have a look at some of the cars here. Volkswagen, lots of Alfords and Wellfires. Here we've got a BMW. Oh wow, check this out. This is an Audi R8. Then here we've got this is a Porsche. Very interesting cars, and these big vans, you know, the people in Singapore, they love them, and if you stay here long enough you also might just end up loving them. This is where we entered. Here this is what greets you. This is what greets you when you enter the hall. Here we've got a GTR, here we've got a Porsche. Here, push bar to open. Try this one.
Yeah. Apa gua arah bosku? Okay, see you bosku. You know how to go.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay.
Tomorrow. See you.
Yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah. How do we go arah, bro?
So over here we've got a Nissan modified, and check this out, crazy modified Bentley. And check that out, it looks in a Corvette and a Beamer. And this cute one. Lots of GTRs. If you love GTRs, you love this. Over there you've got a SVJ. And this is the motorcycle section. Lots of nice motorcycles. We've got a Honda Goldwing. We've got lots of the adventure ones. We've got a Hayabusa over there. So those are also some great ones. And Triumph, Yamaha, Suzuki. Some adventure ones. The dirt bikes. Exiting. Yeah,
We're
yeah.
not as high tech as Japan. I know in Japan everything is, yeah.
Okay, now we're just walking towards Drifter D's car. This is what the venue looks like, Singapore Expo Hall. It's a very prestigious venue. Check that out. And no chance to push you backwards, you'll be the one driving. Lucky escape. So this is Drifter D's Mustang finally.
Thank you.
And this is the first Mustang I've seen in Singapore in the last 3 days.
Yeah, he has a broken headlight.
Ah,
Our park, it's a 1-in-1, 3-in-1 system, so yeah.
oh, wonderful.
Yeah.
And this is the turbo, what do you call it? EcoBoost.
EcoBoost, yeah. Not quite the
3.5 liter. Which one?
2.3 liter.
2.3 liter.
Yeah.
So fuel efficiency must be good.
Actually, not bad for a sports car. It's actually not bad. It does better than some road cars out there.
Okay.
And it packs a punch, if I may.
Ooh.
Yeah. Alright, please slow down. I don't want to scare you guys. Right, let's drive. But yeah, it packs up. I love the car. It packs a punch.
Yeah. Right now we're in the car. We just dropped off Suzuki-san and with
What's up,
Drifter
guys?
D.
In the Stang.
Yeah, in this tank, very nice car. And here we've got a lot of these miniatures.
Yes,
it's got a
of
lot
course.
of miniature Mustangs over here. And
That's right.
check this out, guys. I think you guys might like this. Innova यहाँ taxi में चल रही है. I mean, it's a yellow one. I'm imagining it's a taxi. I'm not really sure. I don't.
No, it's not. Yeah.
No,
it's
not a taxi, no?
I guess he just likes the yellow color.
Yeah, very nice. और ये थोड़ा zoom करके भी मैं आपको ये Mustang वगैरह दिखाता हूँ. Right now we're going somewhere. We'll probably have dinner. देखते हैं वहाँ पे. But बढ़िया है. यहाँ के रोड्स वगैरह जो हैं काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. ट्रैफिक काफ़ी अलग है. Lexus, Audi, यहाँ पे वैन्स ढेर सारी देखने को मिलती हैं. ये मेरे ख्याल से एक Mazda की गाड़ी है. तो मतलब we don't have Mazda in India.
Wait, why?
I don't know. I mean, it just never existed. Like it's not been around for a while. So no Mazda. So a lot of the cars here quite new. All these MPVs which you see, we don't have any of them. We don't have the Voxy. We don't have the Freed. We don't have a lot of these. So very different market.
Right, yeah. And as I mentioned, because of the COE, the 10-year thing, that's why every 10 years the car will probably get scrapped. That's why the cars are quite new usually.
Right. तो ये मुझे बता रहे थे कि इनकी जो मस्टैंग है, अब आप समझो कि 1.5 साल बचा है इसका, और 1.5 साल के बाद अगर ये इसको और चलाना चाहेंगे तो 110,000 SGD सिंगापुर डॉलर देना पड़ेगा, जो आप समझो इंडियन करेंसी में 80 लाख रुपए होते हैं. सो यू नो द हाउ मच यू नीड टू पे फॉर अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट फॉर दिस कार.
110,000.
दैट इज द ओरिजिनल प्राइस ऑफ अ मस्टैंग इन इंडिया. like when Ford sold the Mustang in India, he sold it for that price.
Wow, and the mine is
Yeah.
is the piece of paper.
Yeah. So like the Ford gave you that car for the price, and that also with the V8.
Wow, V8.
Yeah, the Brembo brakes, V8, and the full package.
Wow, I am jealous. I want the V8. Wait, so tough.
Yeah. So right now we're just heading around here.
Yeah, we're reaching Bugis Plus, so it's quite a popular mall.
Okay.
In the center of Singapore. It's quite a big mall, so I felt like we might be spoiled for choices there.
Very kind of you.
Hey, no worries. Yeah.
So right now we'll go park it first, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go park.
Basement
We're gonna
parking?
I think in this particular mall it's a multi-story
Multi-story.
car park. Yeah.
Tokyo Drift style.
Yes, Tokyo Drift. Mustangs and drifting
don't go together.
Yeah. You know, I'm trying to be more careful with the signal stop. I'm just trying to flick it so they will flick for like 3 times.
Yeah. The lane change basically.
Yeah, just yeah. Oh man.